Well, we have some people that we are talking to in mind. Many of them actually, some of them have said, no, I do not
From
want.
the cabinet?
I'm sorry?
Are they from the cabinet? Are they local officials? Are they from the Senate or Congress?
You're just like a last light. You're not
As you can see,
you're not
Mr. President, I love your socks.
Yeah.
It's green because we're both from LaSalle. But I'm wearing the flag colors
We're
today.
both schoolmates. But he was much older than I was. He was way ahead. Yes, but of course you have to see, you know, when people are working, but you cannot limit yourself to government.
Yeah.
But of course it's much harder to bring to a presidential level someone who has not been involved in politics ever. It happens, but it's not that easy, especially in the highly political atmosphere that we have here in the Philippines. It's not that they don't like the person; they just know they don't know who they are. And to build that up to a presidential level is quite difficult. So you look at people in government and you see who's doing well, who is exceptional. And I'm glad to say, exceptional people in government.
And you will endorse this person very soon?
Not soon. Not soon. The timing is everything.